Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to create a budget, Quicken Simplify. So let's just dive right in. So in Quicken Simplify, you get a lot of plans that are going to be helping you to create a budget. Like for example, if you want to manage business and finance solutions, this is going to be a one solution for you. You can have a clear view of your entire system. You can have self-employment ready status. You have optimized for taxes. So if you're looking for tax management as well, this is going to be really helpful for you as well. So it is also good to keep cash flow and track, so you can track everything. You can have self-employment, and all of that in total is going to be helping you to get sorted with every kind of budget that you want to create. You can manage your income, advertising, legal services. Like for example, if you are working in that sector, Form 1040, we have much more, and the plan starts for just 9.99 USD. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and see you guys in the next video.